Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I'm going to show two paintings I still have left from my Paintsomeway order that I have placed and then I received. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, hope you enjoy the show. Oh, and as well, if you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. So this isn't a product review or anything. I decided to purchase Paintsomeway paintings because I wanted to see what other budget-friendly companies there were, and I have seen other diamond painters finished or purchased some of their paintings and they just looked really nice, so that's why I really wanted to try it. So the first painting I'm going to show, of course, it's going to be a really nice kind of landscapey one. It's kind of small. The thing I don't remember is if this one is a square painting. I know I did purchase a square one, but I believe it might have been my small one that I'm currently working on. I don't believe I purchased the larger one. Ooh, apologies for that. It is really stuck in the plastic. So give me a moment. I'm going to wrestle with this package for a bit because I really don't want to tear the plastic. Well, I think I might have to because it's really packed in there. Ooh, but yeah, I'm going to have to tear it. Apologies if you hear a whole bunch of crinkly noise and tearing. No. So, yeah. Let me get that off. Oh, yeah. Tearing it was so much easier. Let me put that aside. And I really love the coloring of this painting. So that's why I picked it up. And it is a round. Oh. So, it comes with your diamonds and your standard kit. And let me fix the lighting a bit because I just noticed it might be a little dark. Oh, there you go. That's a lot better. And just in case you're new to diamond painting, the standard kit is always the tray, the pen, and the wax. And all you do is pour your diamonds into the tray, get your pen, press into the wax, press into the diamond, press onto the painting, and voila, you're officially a diamond painter. And do not worry, any other canvas you buy next, this kit will be there as well. They always find you. And these are the diamonds. Oh, it's in these little baggies. I don't mind these. I don't know. I kind of like them. I don't know why. Because they're little and they're cute. And I kind of like that. And there's no difference. If you have seen some other paintings that have the large gray kind of sachets that are stuck together, it's the same concept. These are just a little bit smaller and they're a little bit more managed. So in case you're going to pour them out, as long as the numbers are matching, there's no issue at all. As you can see, as this one's 677, there's 2 packets. So you just pour them into whatever storage unit you're using or resealable bag. And that's it. Keep on trucking and you just keep on going. Myself, I make sure to recycle the plastic, but there's really no difference. They're just smaller baggies. I just think they're cute. I do love all the colors though. I saw this wonderful dark magenta, this nice green. My little lovely kind of banana cream color. Love you, 677. And this nice violet. Oh goodness, these colors are so pretty. Oh, I'm a big fan of them. Hopefully you can see them real clearly. I'm getting a little closer. Focus out a bit. And there we go. Oh, I love that magenta color. And this is the painting. And I fell in love when I saw the wonderful little house and the little trees of the pink flowers. Every time I see it, I always think of cherry blossoms, but it's probably not that. I just assume that. And I'm just going to pick up the plastic a bit just to kind of help with the creases to settle a bit. And all of these paintings, I'll make sure to put the information below just in case you're interested. As I said, this isn't a product review or anything. I purchased this with my own money. And mostly because I want to see how the painting works up. Because as I said, I've seen some completions from other diamond painters, so it made me real interested. And they're really budget friendly. And everything, all the pricing, I'll probably put in the corner. And I'll put, as I said, the info in the description below. Yeah, it's a wonderful little house with a river and a bridge, tree with the flowers. I just noticed there's like a little entranceway here. It's like a flower gate. And some information about this painting. It is X533 and it's a 30 by 30 and it is 24 colors. Ooh, I'm curious because I want to see how the sky is going to come out and the wonderful mountains. And the legend is all capitalized letters. Oh, thank goodness. No hidden number, no symbols or anything. It makes it so much easier when you're painting. I'm really excited how it's going to come out. I see all the little flowers, the water. The drill field is really, really clear, as you can see. Let me see if I can get that a little closer. You can see on the white part, the dark lettering is really clear. Same thing with the flowers. That is real interesting. I do see some confetti everywhere, but there is a lot of color blocking on the top. Same thing in the water. Ooh, it's real nice. I really like this painting. And yeah, just in case, I'll put a clear image here in the middle of the screen. If a nice little house with a river is your style as well. So let me put this aside real quick. Ooh, I have a table next to me and it's covered in painting, so I have to be careful not to mess everything up. Oops, sorry about that. And this is my second painting. So of course we're in fall. What do we love in fall? Pumpkin spice. Well, myself anyway. Apologies. I know it's not everyone's cup of tea, to be exact. So, but myself, I do love the cinnamon pumpkin-y flavor. It's such a fall color. Ooh, the diamonds are getting out. So let me move this plastic real quick. And furl it for y'all. Ooh, the plastic on this one feels really smooth. Huh, that's real nice. And includes as well your standard kit, as I said. Okay, we got you. And these are the diamonds. Oh, these are all kitted up, meaning they're already in resealable bags and ready to go. They're organized that way, so in case you prefer using this method of storage, you can just pull out the diamonds and voila, just start painting, because they're already all separated and organized for you, and the numbers match the legend. So they're real easy peasy, as I say. And you can just start painting. Myself, I probably say it a billion times. Resealable bags and I have a history, so that's why I don't touch them. I'll kit these up, and if I do work on this painting, I'll make sure to do a video for it. I love that they hand wrote the identifier for the painting. I really appreciate that, because I do write the numbers on the diamonds, because I keep the painting and diamonds separate. I really love that they already have it written, so I don't have to write it. And I really love these colors. First of all, I see that huge packet of white. I think that's our lovely 3865, but I'm not sure. And there's wonderful fall brown colors, as you can see. Makes sense. It's coffee cup. I really do love these fallish colors. Oh, these earthy tones are always my favorite. And this is the paint. As I said, a nice cup of coffee with pumpkin and spice. And I really fell in love when I saw this. And I do have others paintings from other companies that it's a wonderful coffee cup, especially for fall. So that's why I'm a big fan of this one. And of course I had to pick it up. I actually have a really large one as well. It's also from another company. That it's the same thing. It's a coffee cup with a pumpkin, cinnamon, all the spice for it. I just really love the image, because I really love coffee. Someone on my wall. So I'm just fixing the plastic, take care of the creases. The plastic is really good quality. Oh my goodness. When I just kind of like running my hand over it. It's real smooth. Really, this plastic is kind of a little bit more thick than the other one. And I really love the image. Huh. It looks like it should be a 20 by 20, but I could see why it would be a larger one. I actually want to kit this one up next. It's so pretty. And I haven't had a chance to sit down and work on Paintsomeway paintings. I think this will be my second one, because I'm actually currently working on one of their squares. And apologies, some information about the painting. It is JC214 and it's a 30 by 30. And it has 22 colors. And the legend, oh thank goodness, it's all capital letters. No numbers, no symbols or anything. So this is why we see this wonderful packet of, and I was correct, 3865. It's the background. I have no problems with it. I've been getting a little faster with color blocking, and I'm actually starting to like it a little bit more. So I'm a big fan of it. Oh my goodness, this is such a pretty painting. And the drill field is super clear on this one as well. Let me see if I can get a little closer for y'all. Real clear, and you actually see the dark lettering on the light colors, and even on the darker tones you can see it real clear. Oh my goodness, that is really clear. And on the pumpkin, as you can see, the little black stem, is white for the lettering. I really appreciate that. It makes it real easy. I do use a light pad, but whenever I don't need to, I'm a big fan when I don't need to. I really love this painting. Sorry, I'm going to say that over and over. And I am going to kit it up next because I kind of want a medium one on the side while I'm working on large ones. So stay tuned for that video. And as well, I'll make sure to put a clear image here in the middle of the screen, just in case a nice cup of coffee with pumpkin spice is your style as well. So yeah, that's all I wanted to show today. As I said, this was just a small order I did for the company because I really want to try it out. I'm not sponsored or anything. I just really wanted to try it out on my own. I do have one more painting left from Paintsomeway, but it's a really big one. So that video, it's going to be by itself. I was going to include it in this one, but it's really large painting, and I want to give it some respect. So it's going to be its own video. So stay tuned for that one. But yeah, that's all I wanted to show today. And I said all the information for these paintings will be in the description below. Oh, I cannot wait to work on this one. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you could do the usual. If you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. It really helps put my channel out there and allows me the opportunity to show everyone all of these wonderful diamond paintings we love to do. And again, thank you for your time and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.